Two headphones, two sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Sony WH-1000XM5 and Beats Studio Pro headphones to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Sony WH-1000XM5 features a lightweight over-ear design with a premium matte finish, soft-fit synthetic leather ear cushions, and a refined non-folding frame that prioritizes long-term comfort and durability. In contrast, the Beats Studio Pro uses a sturdy over-ear construction with ultra-plush memory foam ear cushions and a foldable design, making it easier to store and carry while maintaining a premium feel. The Sony WH-1000XM5 delivers a balanced, detailed sound signature with support for high-resolution audio and LDAC, offering excellent clarity, instrument separation, and natural vocals. Meanwhile, the Beats Studio Pro provides a more energetic and immersive listening experience with custom 40mm drivers, enhanced bass response, and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for movies and music. The Sony WH-1000XM5 offers up to 30 hours of battery life with ANC enabled and up to 40 hours with ANC disabled, along with Bluetooth 5.2, multi-point connectivity, and fast USB-C charging. The Beats Studio Pro delivers up to 24 hours of playback with ANC or transparency mode enabled and up to 40 hours in standard listening mode, while supporting Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C audio, and 3.5mm wired connectivity. The Sony WH-1000XM5 includes industry-leading adaptive noise cancellation, speak-to-chat, multi-point pairing, voice assistant support, and intelligent listening features that automatically adjust based on your environment. The Beats Studio Pro offers fully adaptive ANC, transparency mode, personalized spatial audio, one-touch pairing, Find My support for Apple devices, and seamless integration with both Apple and Android ecosystems. The Sony WH-1000XM5 launched in May 2022 with a starting price of approximately $399, positioning it as a flagship premium noise-canceling headphone. In comparison, the Beats Studio Pro launched in July 2023 with a starting price of approximately $349, targeting users who want premium audio, strong ANC performance, and enhanced compatibility across multiple platforms. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is ideal for users who prioritize class-leading noise cancellation, high-resolution audio quality, long listening comfort, and advanced smart features for travel and everyday use. The Beats Studio Pro is better suited for users seeking immersive spatial audio, versatile wired and wireless connectivity options, strong ANC performance, and seamless integration with Apple and Android devices. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.